A little bell that shakes my chest. Got my claws clipped, fur all brushed. Tail up high, I never hush.
Kids all point and start to laugh when I strut my careful path, but I just blink, then arch my back. I was born to lead this cat pack.
I'm proud to purr in public at the St. Patrick's Day Purr Parade. Rolling down the streets, a regal on a shamrock painted float. I may let the drums go boom, flags flutter, let the bagpipes shout my name. I'm proud to purr in public at the Purr Parade. I won't hide my flame. Hey!
Little dogs bark from the curb. One tries hard to start a stir. I just yawn and flip my ear. I've got better sounds to hear.
Grandma waves her paper flag, pins a clover to my tag.
Says that cat's got fearless eyes. I just hum my furry pride.
I'm proud to purr in public at the St. Patrick's Day Purr Parade. Rolling down the streets, a regal on a shamrock painted float. I may let the drums go boom, flags flutter, let the bagpipes shout my name. I'm proud to purr in public at the Purr Parade. I won't hide my flame. All the shy cats in the windows,
Peek between the curtain seams.
could that ever be me someday?
Yeah, you're marching in my dreams. Every whisker, every stripe, every hiss and every hissed complaint.
You belong right here beside me, in a roaring river of green pain. I'm proud to purr in public at the St. Patrick's Day Purr Parade. Rolling down the streets, a regal on a shamrock painted float. I may let the drums go